Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your subscription with Spotify, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Spotify subscription, start by opening the Spotify app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, go to the Home tab located at the bottom of the screen. Look for the gear icon, which represents settings, and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the Account section. Tap on Account to open your account settings. Here, you will see details about your subscription. Check the plan type listed at the top of the screen. If you have a premium subscription, it will be indicated clearly. If you're using a desktop, open your web browser and visit the Spotify website. Log into your account on the website. On the home page, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Once on the Account page, look for the Your Plan section. This area will provide information about whether you are on a free or premium plan. If you suspect any issues with your payment, navigate to the Your Plan section again. Here, you can see your payment status, renewal date, and other relevant details. If you still have questions or problems, visit the Spotify support page. There, you can find troubleshooting tips or contact customer support. Following these steps will help you verify your subscription status on Spotify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.